The story has been modified taking into consideration audiences of all ages. Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Rajasthan, there stood a magnificent fortress known as Bangad Fort. Nestled amidst the rugged hills and dense forests, the fort boasted grand architecture, captivating tales, and an eerie reputation that sent shivers down the spines of the locals. This is the story of Bangad Fort, a place where history and legend intertwine. It is believed that Bangad Fort was built in the 17th century by Raja Bhagwant Das, a ruler of the Kachwaha dynasty. With its imposing walls, intricately carved temples, and majestic palaces, the fort was a symbol of power and opulence. The town of Bangad flourished under the fort's shadow, bustling with traders, artisans, and residents who enjoyed the protection and prosperity it offered. However, Bangad Fort was not just a testament to grandeur, it had an air of mystery and darkness that haunted its corridors. Legends whispered of a curse that befell the fort, stemming from forbidden love story. The tale revolved around Princess Ratnavati, the beautiful daughter of Raja Bhagwant Das, and a sorcerer named Singhia. Singhia, infatuated by Ratnavati's ethereal beauty, cast a spell on a cosmetic she was buying, hoping it would make her fall in love with him. The princess, aware of Singhia's intentions, threw the cosmetic away, causing it to hit a boulder that crushed Singhia to death. As he took his last breath, Singhia cursed the fort, declaring its downfall and the death of all its residents. Over time, the curse seemed to come true. Mysterious events plagued Bangad Fort, and its inhabitants experienced unexplained deaths, misfortune, and destruction. Locals believed that the spirits of the past haunted the fort, seeking revenge and perpetuating the curse. Fear enveloped the once thriving town, and eventually, the residents fled, leaving the fort abandoned and desolate. Today, Bangad Fort stands as a silent witness to its past glories and tragic downfall. Explorers and tourists visit the site, attracted by its enigmatic aura and the allure of the supernatural. Legends still echo through its empty halls, and many claim to have witnessed paranormal activities within its confines. While the truth behind the curse remains a mystery, the story of Bangad Fort serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the power of love, betrayal, and the consequences of meddling with forces beyond our control. It stands as a haunting reminder that even the grandest of structures can fall victim to the whims of fate and the enduring power of legend. Deep in the heart of Rajasthan, the Bangad Fort stood as a foreboding silhouette against the moonlit sky. Its dilapidated walls held secrets that chilled the blood of even the bravest souls. This is the horrifying tale of Bangad Fort, a place where darkness reigned and nightmares came to life. Legend spoke of a curse that enveloped the fort, casting a sinister shadow over its very stone. Those who dared to enter its forsaken halls would face unimaginable horrors. It was said that the restless spirits of the cursed princess, Ratnavati, and the sorcerer, Singhia, prowled the fort, seeking revenge on anyone who dared to trespass. A group of thrill-seekers, drawn by the allure of the macabre, ventured into the abandoned fortress one moonlit night. Among them were Rahul, a skeptical journalist, Meera, a brave adventurer, and Arjun, a thrill-loving photographer. Armed with cameras and trepidation, they stepped through the decaying gates, unaware of the malevolent forces that awaited them. As they ventured deeper into the fort, the air grew heavy with a palpable sense of dread. Shadows danced along the walls, whispering dark secrets in their ears. Unease settled over the group, and their footsteps echoed eerily through the empty corridors. Suddenly, a chilling gust of wind extinguished their flashlights, plunging them into darkness. Panicked whispers filled the air as they fumbled for their light sources, their trembling hands struggling to find purchase in the pitch-black void. From the darkness emerged a haunting laughter, echoing through the fort. The group froze, their hearts pounding in their chests. A flickering candle in the distance cast an otherworldly glow, drawing them towards it like moths to a flame. As they reached the source of the light, their eyes widened in terror. Before them stood the apparitions of Ratnavati and Singhia, their ethereal forms twisted and tormented. Eyes filled with malice fixed upon the intruders, and a bone-chilling was echoed in their minds, promising a fate worse than death. In a desperate attempt to escape, the group scattered in different directions, their screams of terror piercing the night. But the fort seemed to toy with them, its labyrinthine corridors leading them in circles, trapping them in a web of fear and despair. One by one, the spirits claimed their victims. Rahul, overwhelmed by fear, was driven to madness, his sanity slipping away as he screamed into the void. Mira, consumed by a paralyzing terror, found herself trapped in a room that slowly filled with malevolent shadows, suffocating her. Only Arjun remained, his camera trembling in his hands. With every ounce of courage he could muster, he snapped pictures in a desperate attempt to capture evidence of the horrors he witnessed. The camera's flash illuminated the darkness, briefly revealing the ghastly figures that pursued him. Finally, in a last-ditch effort to survive, Arjun stumbled upon a hidden chamber, its walls adorned with ancient symbols of protection. He frantically drew them on his body, hoping to ward off the vengeful spirits that stalked him. As the sun's first rays painted the horizon, Arjun emerged from Bangad Fort, his body battered and his spirit forever scarred. The photographs he captured bore witness to the nightmarish ordeal, proof of the horrors that plagued the cursed fortress. Word of their harrowing experience spread, further cementing the fort's reputation as a place of unspeakable evil. Bangad Fort, forever condemned to its dark legacy, serves as a haunting reminder that some nightmares are more than mere legends, they are a grim reality waiting to ensnare the unwary souls. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more stories like this.